Welcome back, you guys. I'm your host, as always, Raimundo, and today we're going to continue on with some Grand Theft Auto Vice City. And yes, I know it's been a while, and as always, thank you for being patient. As I've said before, my other job has picked up a lot, so that's why I haven't been making recordings like I have in the past. But again, thank you guys for being patient with me. Those of you that are being patient with me, because I know some of y'all kind of gave up, but nevertheless, the ones that haven't gave up on me, thank you from the bottom of my heart. So, today we're going to try and see if we can get some money, some property, so we can continue on with the storyline. Again, I think that's what I tried to do in the last few videos, but I don't remember. But if that's the case, and I still haven't got money or whatever properties to move on with the storyline, I just might do this behind the scenes, as I probably said in the last few videos. The last time I did it was a month ago. And because I don't want it to be too boring for you guys, so if anything, I might just do that behind the scenes, and then whenever I got the properties and money and shit like that, I will I get back on it and we can continue the storyline. But until then, let's just see what we can do today. Alright. And I had to get me some new ears, so hopefully y'all can hear me okay. Let's see, where did we leave off?
What are you doing?
Let's see where we left off, because I honestly have no idea. I know I still haven't beat the damn telephone. I don't know why I'm having such a difficult thing with that. Excuse me. And as always, today's drink of choice is orange juice for right now, because I just got done eating some breakfast. I made me some breakfast before I continue on with playing some video games, making videos, and such. So I just got done eating breakfast, so today's drink of choice is orange juice. For those of y'all that care, of course. Some of y'all may not give a shit, but I just thought it's, you know how I do. If y'all been in the channel for a while, you know how I roll. So again, thank you so much. So okay, so I think what I'm gonna do today, besides trying to look for more properties, I'm gonna go ahead and try the damn telephone again. Hopefully things will run smoothly. But I don't know, since it's been about a month since I've last played this game, so I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Car. I don't care what kind of car. I just want a car. Somebody. Car.
You always give me a hard
Car.
time.
Thank you. I just want a car for right now. I can always get a speeder car later. Alright, let's go. Which way to the airport? So I can at least try the airport. But hopefully I find a nicer car beside this one, because this one is going to be a piece of shit. Whatever the chase scene comes to be. What's it? There. I saw something. Am I going to be able to go up there? Because I'm honestly not sure. Can I go up there? Something caught my eye. I don't know. Something caught my eye, and fine. Maybe I'll come back and try and see what the hell that was, but let's just go to the airport. Okay. Oh, nice car, nice car. Wait. You can have your Jeep, not your jet. Your Jeep back. This is what I want, because I need this kind of car. Alright, now we got it. Let's see how this shit plays out for a while.
What's happening?
Damn it.
Time to fry bigger fish, Mr. Steele. There's a rifle in the foliage to your right. Watch the woman standing on the balcony above the check-in desk. She will walk through the crowd and ask someone the time. You must kill that person, retrieve the case, and take it to the location taped under the phone.
Ah!
Show me your light.
Yes, I know, I gotta kill the girl. Well, not kill the girl, but, you know, whatever. Get away from me, so I can get a good shot. Where's the dudes at? Okay, there's the girl, there's the dudes.
Open your eyes.
Let's get a good shot.
That's so
Stop
wrong.
being floozy and let me hook you up with some fine pussy.
Some fine pussy, yeah. Sounds about right to me. There she goes. Oh, you bastard. Did I get him? I don't think I got him. Oh. Where is he? No, of course he spotted me. That was very smart. Oh, right. That was real smart. We're just gonna have to do it again. Yep, we're gonna have a good day today. Damn it. Yep.
What hard work? Forget about him, man. They're ass your sister out, man. Take a
Get
good
back to Woodley Pine. I got a little brother, mamífero.
I don't think I have enough money to buy any property anyway. We're probably gonna just have to get money from properties I already bought and end up getting another piece of property and I have money to spend. Why did I just go in a damn circle? I have no idea. Is there any better cars around here? I don't think this car's much better. Damn. I thought I was a bad driver. This Texas guy, they were shit. So there goes another one, man. They're crazy today. Carry on, go. Maybe a cab is the way to go. I don't know. You know what? I just.
Run away before you get hurt.
You know what I just realized? I need to go get some armor. Just realized I need some armor. Yep. Need to go get some armor. We'll be back. Maybe I'll find a nice car by the time I go get the armor. Which way are we going? So I'm just over here joyriding. We gotta go all the way north. have to, we could always go to the other island if we get some armor, but kind of, part of me wants to stay in the same island. So, I think that's what I'm gonna do, is just stay in the same island.
I still need pocket money, pal. My wife will kill you. Great.
Go all the way north. Get the goods. Yeah, the other earphones, they finally killed over, so I finally had to retire them. So I got me some new earphones, or whatever, and hopefully y'all be able to hear me a lot better with these. Because I personally think these are better than the old ones I had. So yeah, hopefully y'all can hear me a lot better. Because they're supposed to be a lot better. Then we're gonna go save, and then we're gonna move on. I just realized that I had no armor. Alright, now we gotta go back to the ice cream shop. Because I personally think that that's the nearest safe one. Hi, at least you don't care. Alright, good job, Copper. At least you don't care that I just braved you. Good. That was an accident. That cop would have been so nice. Don't happen twice sometimes.